Man, ain't that truck a beauty. Well, I'm here today at the Shady Brook Angus farm. Some friends of mine, I'm going to help them out a couple of days with silage. Hope to get some good footage, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you. This is the pit we've got to fill, so we'll see how many tons we can get in it and how long it takes us. So this concludes the video. We spent, I think, 4 days, close to 40 hours chopping this silage. Had 2 flat tires on the chopper, flat tire on the 7810 that was packing. Had to take one off, or one that was taken off the 8220. We put it on there, and had a truck die on us, the white Mack that I was driving. Was able to borrow another truck from another feller, but 52 acres of corn is what we chopped, 1,050 tons. That comes out to around 20 tons an acre. He said that was a little short of what he usually does, but we've had so much rain this spring that there was a lot of places drowned out. So I enjoyed making this video, working for Shady Brook. Vince and the whole Santini family, they were all part of it. They're good people to work with. The Shady Brook crew is some really nice people. So if you like this video, turn the thumbs up blue down at the bottom down here, and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. Give me a comment what you might want to see in the future. Me and Vince has already discussed probably this spring we're going to do a planter comparison in soybeans. I run 30-inch rows, he runs 15. We run the same population, 140,000 seeds per acre. So we're going to see if there's any difference in yield run versus 30 versus 15. So that's it for today. Thank you.